In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sync CRM activity with your Google Calendar, so you can keep track of important tasks, meetings, and deadlines without missing a beat. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll be able to streamline your workflow and save a lot of time. First things first, let's dive into syncing CRM activity with your Google Calendar. It's essential to make sure that any new tasks, appointments, or deadlines created in your CRM get automatically added to your Google Calendar, helping you stay organized and efficient. Start by opening your CRM software and finding the integration settings. Most CRMs have a built-in feature for syncing with Google Calendar, so you're looking for something that says Google Calendar integration or sync with Google. If you don't see this option right away, check the software's support docs to ensure this functionality is available. Once you find it, click on it to open the sync settings. Now, you'll need to log into your Google account. This will allow the CRM to connect to your calendar, pulling in the relevant information. This step may require you to grant permission to the CRM software to access your Google Calendar. Don't worry, this is necessary for the sync to happen. Once you've logged in and granted permission, go ahead and choose what kind of data you want to sync. For example, you can select whether to sync all tasks, meetings, or just specific types of activities, like calls or appointments. I recommend selecting everything at first so you don't miss anything important, but you can always adjust it later. After that, make sure to set the sync frequency. You can usually set it to sync in real time, every hour, or at another interval depending on your needs. Once you've done that, hit the save button and you should be all set. Now, let's take a quick look at your Google Calendar. You'll see a new calendar layer for your CRM activities. This will display tasks, meetings, and deadlines you've created in your CRM. And here's the best part. You can also edit those events directly in Google Calendar and it'll reflect in your CRM as well. That's the magic of syncing CRM activity with your Google Calendar. No more switching between apps or missing important dates. If you want to take this further, check out the description below for an exclusive free trial to the software we're using today. You can follow along step by step and see how this integration works in real time. The trial is only available to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out on that. So, what's the key takeaway? Syncing CRM activity with your Google Calendar is a powerful way to stay organized and on top of your tasks. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your CRM appointments and deadlines automatically appear in your calendar. This will save you time and reduce the chances of missing an important meeting or task. To recap, first, go to the CRM settings and find the Google Calendar integration. Log into your Google account and grant permission. Then select the type of data to sync, set the sync frequency, and you're good to go. Your CRM activities will now automatically show up in your Google Calendar. Again, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's the perfect way to get started with syncing CRM activity with your Google Calendar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.